So, what you have to do is press on File, then New, and then you press on HTML page. So, this should load the code necessary to write HTML. So, this line here declares that it is a HTML language, that what we are going to code is HTML. Actually, we don't need this. Next, this line here shows that it is HTML program, that from this line onwards the program starts, the computer will read. This is the head. As you can see, here is a title. So if I run this, uh, it will show me new document. That is the title of the page. You can change it and put something like learning HTML. And one more thing, guys, whenever you write the tag, you have to close it. So if I don't close it, it will be a leak, and we don't want that in the code. Save it with Control S, and then learning HTML. Okay. And another thing, guys, we refresh it with Control R. Oh. Okay, this we don't get in this right now. So from here onwards, you will write the code for your that will be run on the page. For example, if you want to write something like welcome to my course, you can write it like that. But that is not good. The proper way to do it is like this. We put a header, and then we close the header. And we save it, we reload. So you see, welcome to my course. So there are a number of headers in HTML. I will show it every single one. So it's #3, #2 actually. For some of you that don't know, you can copy something by pressing Ctrl+N+C on Windows, and then paste it with Ctrl+N+V. So let's see how it shows. Smaller. So as it goes down, it will be smaller and smaller. And I think that there are like 7 headers. I will just write all of them right now so you can see the difference. So you see, oh, actually, so there are 6 headers. You see that there is a yellowish color on the text here on the header 7. Let's see the difference. So it goes from bigger to smaller. But there is another way to write text, and that is to use P, paragraph. So P, you can write a lot of lines on P. So for example, Mary has an apple. And this is the standard size. But what if we write on both lines? What do you think will happen? Mary has a orange. You see? Gets together. So if we want to separate this, we can separate using the beer break line. Not break, sorry. You see? That's quite nice. Okay guys, that's all for the first episode. Thank you very much.